How Tesla makes its batteries. At Tesla's Battery Day event, CEO Elon Musk made some big announcements. The company's moves towards eliminating cobalt in its batteries, a new Plaid powertrain for the Model S that could get to speeds of 200 miles per hour, and a new cathode plant to streamline its battery production. And with the new battery technology, Musk has said Tesla would make a $25,000 car. But how do they make these batteries? Tesla plans to manufacture its own tabless batteries, which will improve its vehicle's range and power. The new batteries will be produced in-house, which Musk says will reduce costs and bring the sale price of Tesla electric cars closer to gasoline-powered cars. It's expected to lower Tesla's cost per kilowatt-hour, a key metric used to measure electric vehicles' battery packs. The tabless cells, which Tesla calls the 4680 cells, will make its batteries 6 times more powerful and increase range by 16%. Tesla currently sources its batteries from Panasonic and is likely to keep doing so for some time, but moving battery production in-house has been on Musk's to-do list for some time. Musk says Tesla will build a new cathode plant for its batteries in North America, part of its quest to reduce supply chain costs and simplify cathode production. It's also making improvements to its process that will make cathodes 76% cheaper and produce zero wastewater. The company also plans to diversify the cathodes it uses because of low nickel supplies. Tesla's new batteries will rely on innovations such as low cobalt and cobalt-free battery chemistries, and the use of chemical additives, materials, and coatings that will reduce internal stress and enable batteries to store more energy for longer periods, sources said. The new cells are bigger than Tesla's current cells, measuring 46mm by 80mm, thus the name 4680. In addition to more energy and power, the new cells will result in a 14% reduction in cost per kilowatt at the cell form factor level only, Musk said. Tesla's new cell manufacturing system is close to working at the pilot plant level. During the launching event, Drew Ballino, Tesla's vice president for powertrain and energy, offered more insight into the new cells. He said that Tesla's engineers laser-patterned the existing foils in the cell to create a shingled spiral that results in a shorter electrical path length of 50mm versus the existing 250mm length in the current cells. You actually have a shorter path length for the electron to travel in a large tabless cell than you have in the smaller cell with tabs, Musk added. So even though the cell is bigger, it actually has more power. Like most car companies, Tesla sources its batteries from major producers so it can focus on its core mission, building electric cars. The company's 2170 cells, which are currently used in Model 3 and Model Y vehicles, are produced by Panasonic at Tesla's Gigafactory in Nevada, but those supplies have become strained. In 2018, a shortage of cells at Panasonic added to Tesla's production hell woes, just as it began ramping up its big push to make the Model 3. Musk has criticized Panasonic's pace of battery production as constraining the Model 3 and the Model Y. And Panasonic CEO Kazuro Tsuga has predicted that its batteries will run out if Tesla continues to expand its business. Musk's announcement that Tesla will begin manufacturing its own batteries is aimed at alleviating those bottlenecks. But it wasn't exactly a state secret. The shift to in-house battery production has been telegraphed by recent acquisitions, leaked photos, patent applications, and research published by Jeff Dahn, one of the pioneering developers of the lithium-ion battery and Tesla's head of battery research. With the futuristic brain of Musk, the quality of Tesla products will keep changing for the better, and that includes their new batteries. What do you think of this new change? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Oh, and turn on post notifications.